last video, we talked about how brands can improve their marketing strategies using WhatsApp. We'll touch on those points in a little detail over here. First, we said that you need to focus on your onboarding process. When we say that you need to focus on your onboarding process, we simply mean that you need to make it simple and fast because it is the only thing that can make and break your customer experience. Second, analyze the first purchases. When we say that you need to analyze the first purchases made by your customers, it can help you know your customer better and give more insights on the customer behavior. Third, push relevant messages. By pushing relevant messages, we simply mean that you need to push personalized messages using WhatsApp to your customers. It will help you increase customer engagement. Fourth, focus on reactivation. There are times when we have a set of customers who are your one-time purchasers. So in order to get repeat orders from them, you need to push messages that can make them active again. I hope this helps.